What I see is how innovation is being fostered by 3D printing in healthcare. My name is Naomi Nathan, and I work as the head of medical for MGA, Mobility Goes Additive. Medical Goes Additive, I would like to explain it as an ecosystem. MGA, as we all know, is a network, and it brings together all the stakeholders relevant for moving AM in healthcare forward. So it is a community, more or less, of the different actors and stakeholders in AM. Medical Goes Additive, a branch of MGA, was formed out of the curiosity of our members as healthcare was becoming a topic that AM 3D printing could address, and there was a need to form a community of practice and exchange, and that was how 5 years ago MGA Medical came about. The members of the network, as I mentioned, are different stakeholders, which consists from research institutes, users of AM, which is like hospitals, university hospitals, material providers, consultants, machine manufacturers, and everyone that is needed to push AM in healthcare forward. Yes, we have about 6 working groups and 3 focus groups, everything ranging from a user-centric hospital group to more specific topics which affect everyone, like approvals, use cases, looking at medtech and OT. And the main goal of the working groups is coming together to see how do we, with collaborative efforts, address this topic that are relevant for the industry. So for me, coming into the AM industry, what I see is how, of course, innovation is being fostered by 3D printing in healthcare. So everything from personalized care solutions for patients to really impactful solutions. We have a big event that we actually relaunched this year called the European Healthcare Forum for AM, which was a platform that was established to promote this dialogue and exchange across Europe and all the learnings we could do together. For me, there's community. For me, 3D printing is impact-driven. Sure, you can get in contact with MGA by either looking at our website, www.mga-net.com, or also following us on LinkedIn, and you would also find the different team members on the website page, and you can contact us and reach out. We'll be happy to have you.